guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my summer makeup tutorial 2024. Wow, I can't believe how quickly this year is going already. So today is my annual summer makeup tutorial. I'm looking a mess right now, I know, but you know, we're going to sort this in a second. My makeup today is going to be sweat proof, humidity proof, there's SPFs, and it's nice and glowy, bronzy and hydrated. So, and it's all drugstore as well. So let's just get started. Okay, first of all, I am going in with a moisturizer which has SPF in. Super important. To be honest, you really shouldn't be leaving the house any time of year without SPF, but particularly in the summer, and this SPF is actually 25. So I try to go for as high as possible in the summer. So it's a really good sunscreen. So this is the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion in the AM version, and it's SPF 25. I'm going to apply this with my e.l.f. small stippling brush. Then for primer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. So what I really like about this primer is it is hydrating, but it's not greasy. It actually kind of looks matte on your face, but it does hydrate your skin. So I'm applying this with the same brush. Now I'm going in with two different foundations, but this is for a reason. So first of all, I'm going in with this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup in the shade Fair Light. This is just going to give me that, you know, like base to work with. It's going to give me a little bit of colour, a little bit of coverage and that glow. And then over the top of that then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, which is in the shade LC1 and it's SPF 20. So I'm going to go in with this first and then this. For both of them, I am using my Ecotools. What's the name of this sponge? It's like a plant sponge. It's called the Ecotools Bioblender sponge. So I'm going in with this to apply the both of them. By the way, this foundation ends up looking dark when you first apply it, but then it ends up looking fine. Okay, so that's just giving me a little bit of a glowy base to work with, but for me it's just not a full coverage enough foundation for my summer makeup tutorial, so I'm going on the top now with the other one. Okay, so that's the foundation done. Now before I do my concealer, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of cream contour. This is the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Light Medium. Then I'm using this Morphe M436 brush to blend it in. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer to conceal and highlight. So this is the Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm using the same sponge to blend it in. Now for powder, I'm not going to put too much powder on, and I'm kind of only going to set certain areas because I would like my face to be nice and glowy. I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Pressed Face Powder in the shade Fair 2, and I'm using my Morphe G35 brush. And as you can see, I didn't do much setting with powder there. I just set my key areas that I know will crease. And the rest I kind of wanted to leave just completely glowy. Now in the summer you want to be nice and bronzed and glowy. So I'm going in with this, it's kind of like a shimmer bronzer. And it's by Wet n Wild. It's the Colour Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. So it's nice and shimmery and bronzy. So I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Flawless Powder Brush to apply a little bit of this. Then for blush, I'm going in with the Milani powder blush in the shade Romantic Rose on my It Cosmetics Heavenly Blush brush. And then for highlighter, I'm using this Essence, the highlighter in the shade Heroic on my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, now time for the eyes. Okay, I'm going in with the Morphe Bronze Metal eyeshadow palette today. And I'm using my R37 brush, and I'm going in with this shade here first. Now I'm going to go in with this next shade over. And I'm using my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners and blend it through. So I'm then going to use those same two colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And I'm then going in with this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade DGAF. I'm going to use my little finger and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. And I'm then going to use the first crease brush to blend all that together. I'm actually going in with this shade as well on top, just to make it a little bit more brown. And then I'm going to blend again. I just added a little bit of the gold shade as well on top. Okay, now for eyebrows, I'm using the NYX The Brow Glue. That eyebrow gel really does keep your eyebrows in place all day. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Deepest Brown. And before I do my mascara, I'm just going to spray my face with a setting spray. I'm actually using the Barry M Flawless Mist and Fix Makeup Setting Spray Dewy Finish. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And I'm going in with the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black. Okay, now finally for lips, I'm going in with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Silk. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my summer makeup tutorial 2024. All drugstore products. It's sweat proof, humidity proof. I have quite dry skin, so I didn't use much powder, but if you have oily skin, use more powder than I did. And it's all drugstore and affordable items, and it's really quick and easy to do. It's also protecting you from the sun as well. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!